Past question number 7. We are given information. Bank accounts 59,410 naira. Capital accounts 50,000 naira. Purchases accounts 20,000 naira. Rents 2,500. Stationery 90 naira. Typewriter 6,500. Sales 38,500. The question is, in preparing a trial balance from the list of balances given above, what is the total in debit and credit columns? Now, a trial balance is a list of balances drawn from individual. It's a collection of a list of balances drawn from individual ledgers. That is a trial balance. And in looking at the trial balance, there's a trial balance rules. Rules of trial balance. Rules of trial balance. The first rule is that all assets and expenses must be debited. All must be debited. That means they must be on the debit side. Two rule is that all liabilities and income must be credited. So we have trial balance as at. We don't know the period we're looking for, so we just assume as at. And the trial balance has items. One of the items we have is it has columns. We have a debit side, we have the credit side, and this side is called particulars. So we want to start now looking at them from individual points. Now the first item is bank accounts. Bank account is an asset. It's a current asset. So we have 59,000 on the debit side, 410 naira. We have capital accounts. Capital accounts is a liability, so it will come here 50,000 naira. We have purchases. Purchases are expenses, so it will come here 20,000 naira debit side. We have rent. Our rent is 25. Rent is also an expenses, 2,500 debit side. We have stationery. Our stationery is also an expenses, 90 naira, which is on the debit side. We have typewriter. Typewriter is also an expenses, which is 6,500 debit side. We have sales. Our sales is an income. Sales and income, because when you sell you make money, so sales are income. We have sales 38,500, which is a liability, which is on the credit side. So sales 38,500. So when we add up the credit side, we add up the debit side, we have a total of 88,500. 88,500. So option C is the right option. 88,500. Both sides of the trial balance must have the same figure to know that the trial balance is correct and is balanced well. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.